so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten forever.
YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Mitch. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hey, today we're talking about our my Evo. So I have an Evo 10. I wanted to go over what I want to do with it and kind of where it's at, the modifications that I put on it for horsepower, and what my future plans are with this car. Reason why is I'm waiting for my MR2 SPYDER wire harnesses to come in so that we can finish the new updated black housing MR2 SPYDER headlights. They are going to look so good. I promise you guys they're going to look amazing, but we don't have the wire harnesses to complete that project. They should be here soon. I'm going to show you guys how to go from a 2000 style headlight to a 2003 on my MR2 SPYDER. So today we are focusing 100% on my Evo 10. I got a beautiful rally red Evo 10, as you guys saw with the intro video. So good. I love those clips. They're so good. But I'm going to show you guys what parts I currently have and then what my goals are. So let's go ahead and look at the car. So I just got done with a lot of the aesthetic stuff of the Evo. I mean, a lot. And one of the big things that I've been doing with it is making it look even better than it's ever looked. Some of the things that let's mention real quick is I did the rear gurneys and I paint matched them to the color of the car. They look absolutely perfect. They're absolutely paint matched. Look really, 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 really good. Another thing that I got painted for the first time was the Rally Art style front lip, and then I have the carbon fiber fog deletes that look really, really good. I love this front end setup. I don't see too many Evos that look like this. I think the front end, I have one of the best front end looking Evos. It looks really, really, really close to the ground, and then looks more aggressive than I've ever seen on an Evo 10. And the reason I think it looks so aggressive is because at mid blade I did black, and the black looks so good. It just carries everything down. It looks menacing. Another thing that I have on here is a Depot 4-inch, actually 3.5-inch racing intercooler. And then I have 3-inch charge pipes all around. So we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. But I did get the lip done. I showed you guys the videos of those. It looks really, really good. I touched up all the mesh. Looks awesome. I removed the chrome from the Evo or from the Mitsubishi badge, so it just looks really, really, really aggressive. Another thing that I did, if you've been following the Evo build, I love the Evo. I know you guys don't watch too much of it, but I really love the Evo. It's a great daily driver. Is I did the hood vent black and then the grills black. Mine came, I think the hood scoop comes factory red. Mine came with a wrap that was peeling, and then those vents are plastic black, and I got them painted black. So the whole setup looks absolutely amazing. So today I brought with me a couple of my new goodies, my new race parts that I'm going to be putting on this car to make it go faster, probably within like the next 2 to 4 weeks. So really close. I'll show you guys how-tos on this. The biggest one that I'm going to do really good videos, and I'm going to make it so crystal clear, and I'm going to take my time with it, and it's going to be like a 10 to 15 minute video, is I'm going to do a how to remove the Evo 10 downpipe, because there are 0 videos, and if there is a video, it's just some guy like in his garage joking around and drinking beer or something like that. There's no good videos for it. So I promise you I will make a highly detailed bolt by bolt video. I've done bolt by bolt videos on a lot of them, and it'll be how to install a downpipe, because I have it with me and I'm gonna show you guys. And then I'm also gonna do a new manifold. And I haven't bought the manifold yet, but I wanna do a new manifold. I think mine has a crack, and I'll go ahead and show you here. So let's go ahead and look at the Evo 10 manifold. They're notorious for having cracks. So let's go ahead and look. So there is my Evo 10 4B11T manifold. Let me see if I can get a light better on it. And I'm pretty sure there's some cracks on it. So if we look real quick right there, yeah, see that crack right there? That's a visible crack. So my car does smell like exhaust, and I think it's because there's 2 cracks. Very visible. It does happen. Water gets on it and it cracks. It was just not a very good design. So we'll be installing a new manifold and a new downpipe, and we will be doing it at the same time, but I will do a very, very detailed for both of them. So I'll do a video for the manifold, and then I'll do a video for the downpipe. So I'll zoom out real quick for you guys. There's the downpipe. We'll do the downpipe. Mine is currently factory. My car is very fast, no joke. It's actually really quick, but it's just not fast enough, and that's why we're kind of going and doing these things. So yeah, my car is not fast enough. Recently I was driving on the highway and there was a new Supra, and it was modified, and I don't do pull videos anymore, but I had some fun with him, and up to like 90 miles an hour I was keeping up with him, and then after that my car couldn't keep up with him. He got like, I would say almost a full car length on my car, which I've seen a lot of other videos. Yeah, I think he had maybe 450 horsepower, but still I want to be able to keep up with that kind of stuff, especially these cars can do that. So my goal for this is, since I still have a lot of restrictions on the car, and the last time I got this car dynoed, it did 298 wheel horsepower, so it didn't even break 300 wheel horsepower, and it does have a tune. It just needs more power. So my goal, I'm going to show you the parts that I have today, is to aim for 300 to 360-ish, or 350 to 360 wheel horsepower, so that it does, you know, crank horsepower like 400 and whatever, 430 horsepower to the crank. That's my main goal. So I'm trying to get 400 crank horsepower or 430 crank horsepower, and I'll be able to do that with a tune and then the new parts that I'm getting. Oh, and then also on that same night there was a BMW i8, and I was able to beat the BMW i8. I can't believe that. This car was hanging like a whole car length ahead of him, and he took off, and then I had to catch him, and I caught right up to him. I was hanging with him, and then the 1, 2, 3, and boom, I got him. So I was pretty excited with that. And I know those things have like little electric motors in them, so I thought it'd have a little bit more torque. But if you get the Evo spooling already, and you're doing a little bit of brake boosting, it's gone. The Evo is so good. If you know how to brake boost, it's so good. So let me show you the parts that I brought with me today, and I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do, how to install these parts. Okay, so this is the downpipe that I'm going to be using. It is an XSPOWER. Now there are other ones out there, Evo 10s and just Evos. There's a lot of brands that are really, like ETS. ETS is a really big brand. MAP is a really big brand. But I find that a lot of the parts do similar things at a fraction of the cost. I would go with a more repetitive downpipe, but I'm excited because this was sponsored. So this is a sponsored part, and I'll have the link below if you want to buy this one. I don't know, I don't have a product review yet because I haven't installed it yet, but this is an XSPOWER right here. It looks so good. XSPOWER downpipe. Now on the back of it right here, it's not one single wide mouth. As you can see, it has this that goes into the exhaust, which I don't know what the size of this is. Maybe this is 2.5. That goes into a 3-inch. I'm assuming this is 3-inch. And then it has maybe a 1-inch, oh sorry guys, I'm not showing you guys, a 1-inch open dump. So this is gonna have an open dump, so, or AKA, people call them a screamer pipe. So we'll have a screamer pipe that says XSPOWER, but man, look at this thing. It's absolutely beautiful. So we will be installing this. This will increase the horsepower a ton. It has a O2 bong right here. So I can run my O2 off of there. How cool is that? And then if you need to plug it, you can. And then also it has a built-in flex pipe right here. And this is very affordable. I think these are $200 or $300 or like $250 versus other downpipes that are $500, $600. So half the price. I don't know if this is like gonna last or how long the quality is gonna be, but so far by presentation it looks aesthetically pleasing. It's very pretty. It comes with all the gaskets. Let me grab those real quick. It comes with all the gaskets right here. So this is the gasket for the where it connects at the wide mouth, and then this is a gasket for the backside of the O2 dump. So 2 gaskets there, and then some nuts and bolts. And then also it comes with, the next thing that we're going to be installing is going to be this, which I picked up this from my friend Josh, who gave me a discount for these. These are about $120, I believe. I have the original OEM electric boost controller, So I got a new boost controller that's electric, which is like one of the first mods that people do on the Evo to get the car from like 290 wheel horsepower to like 310 or 315, is they just install an electronic boost controller and then get the car tuned. That car doesn't have that. And my car's been super quick, super fast, very enjoyable. But I just don't have one of these yet. So I have to have one of these to get a good tune. And I think I'm gonna be having either Chag tune or this guy named Dustin or Justin around here do my car. Again, I will get a video dyno once the car is completed. And it's pretty much just these three parts. It's gonna be a manifold, a downpipe, and then the electronic boost controller. I already have an AEM wideband on there, so I don't need to do any of that. And then other than that, this car should be way faster, and I'll be super happy. You know, I've been driving it all the way up to 7,800 RPMs. It's a fast car, but it should be a lot quicker than what it is. And I just don't want that Supra to get a car length on me. So that's my goal with this car. That's what we're going to be doing with this build. I will do detailed high instruction videos on how to install this. I will do detailed instruction videos on how to install this, and I will also do a detailed instruction video on how to do the manifold. The manifold, I'm not going to buy the MAP one. Again, it's like $600 or $700. I don't know if there's an XSPOWER manifold. I'm not sure. There's another one that's equal length, and it goes. It looks cool, and it's pipes, but I've seen that they've cracked. So what I'm gonna buy is the OEM-esque looking one. So it doesn't have the pipes that go around, but it will have the, it will fix the cracks on mine. So I'll show you guys that one. It's like $300, and when I install the video and use that one, I'll have the link for that. But I do really wanna show you guys how to do this. So once I complete my MR2, I will move it out of my garage and then install the Evo into my garage. And then that's what we're gonna do on the channel. We're gonna do some Evo build. In my car right now, so in the back of the Evo, I actually had a tank or a gallon of gas. This is for my Lotus because I still can't get my Lotus started, and it's absolutely killing me. One day I'll be able to get it started. I still don't know what's wrong with it, but now it's saying it's out of gas even though I just put gas in it. I might take my Lotus turboed, a Lotus ELISE 2006 turboed. I might take it to someone. I might even ship it to Monkey Wrench Racing. Or I might just sell it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that car. But I'm trying to get that car running, and I wanna make a ton of videos with it. Hopefully I can soon. And then I did find a CELICA GTS that I'm gonna go after. I just try to do that. So MR2's headlights, Evo's more power, CELICA would be a turbo build, and Lotus is just a hunk of junk. So that's where I'm at right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what I'm gonna be doing with this car. Stay tuned, I'm excited to install these parts. Make sure to like, subscribe. Swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab some LEDs, grab some badges, grab some microfibers, whatever you need for all your car parts, swing by there. Again, make sure to like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.